Hello and welcome back to Coin Matters channel. The first piece of news I have is that the price of Bitcoin has dropped slightly. You can see that drop for yourself right here. Over the past 24 hours, our team's morale has been through the roof. And then, just now, there was a huge, sudden drop in price. Since then, the price of a Bitcoin has risen from roughly $31,000 to around $46,000. So, we almost reached the 32,000 mark, peaking at around 31,800. It appears to have bottomed out somewhere around the 29.900 area. However, there is some backing emerging. The buyers are returning, and the recent developments probably have something to do with the leverage market. So, with all the excitement in the crypto market and a lot of whales flinging huge sums of money right now, some people may have been going long. Is the intention to sell off long positions present? That might explain why this is happening. That means there could be some seriously wealthy individuals trading cryptocurrencies today. There doesn't seem to be any major bad news right now, so I wouldn't worry too much. The cryptocurrency market now appears to be dominated by large investors known as whales. However, there is some actual upbeat news. So, I'm going to spill the beans on this to you. As a result, cryptocurrency will develop its own unique value system. And this comes directly from the CEO of BlackRock. So, he's becoming an increasing bull himself. There are hints of Michael Saylor in his voice. He's been interviewed and made some strong statements regarding cryptography. As we continue to progress upwards in this bullish cycle, I believe this to be one of the long-term, significant moments for crypto. And he claims that more and more of our international investors are inquiring about crypto, that there is a desire to diversify portfolios, and that crypto will eventually be able to exist independently of national currencies, which is completely untrue. Just so you guys are aware, it has effectively gone beyond any and all currencies at the present time. This means you're free to enter the market and invest in whatever you like, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, etc. You guys know these crypto assets are high reward, high risk. You can make crazy amounts of gains and up people to have an appetite for this, and this customers are BlackRock, and they want to get involved in crypto trading as well, so there is definitely interest in this around the world. As with any new market, if BlackRock's name is going to be honest, we'll make sure that it's secure and sound and protected, so this is going to be very, very exciting, and they are taking a gradual and steady approach right here. We think it's our duty to make investing accessible to the masses, and we think we've succeeded admirably. The advent of ETFs has already revolutionized the industry, and this is just the beginning. We're only seeing the tip of the iceberg in the crypto market at the moment, as we're in at an early stage when neither BlackRock nor its customers are yet invested. Also, we have some crucial Binance news to discuss, and Larry Fink has a very bullish outlook. I believe the winds of fortune are shifting in favor of cryptocurrency right now. Nance terminates the employment of over 1,000 people, and we're going to try to understand his position. The question is, why? Come, let us study this matter. According to former employees, this week's layoffs are just the latest in a series of massive reductions in staff at the cryptocurrency exchange Binance, which has been called the worm to king of the crypto exchanges. To date, over 1,000 people have lost their jobs at the exchange. And this is what the Cointelegraph says right now. Therefore, on May 31st, Bypass announced a 20% personnel reduction. It has become evident that we need to focus on talent density across the business to ensure we remain nimble and creative as we prepare for the next major bull cycle, despite our claims that we are not downsizing but rather reallocating resources. This is also what the Binance spokesman is saying, however it's important to keep the above in mind. As a result, Binance has been banned in a wide variety of nations. As a result of these setbacks, the company halted operations in Germany, Belgium, and the Netherlands. It's getting a close look in France, and it's getting a close look in Brazil, too. Again, I don't think everything is fair. The scrutiny regarding bias. Binance was a great crypto exchange, but I have to tell you that it has been banned in several countries. It stands to reason that they wouldn't be cutting operations at this time. In the absence of those consumer bases, those sales aren't coming from customers who are unable to use the cryptocurrency exchange at the moment. Therefore, I do not believe it is currently linked to the banking system in Australia. Therefore, Binance is unquestionably suffering immensely, but what a CS the words of Ed. So, let's provide a fair assessment of the situation. He claims that while every country experiences some level of involuntary job cuts as it works to boost its talent pool, the media exaggerates the extent of such cuts in the United States. We haven't given up on our hiring drive, and we're still in a positive frame of mind. In the grand scheme of things, though, I believe that BINANCE, the cryptocurrency exchange, was and is the largest cryptocurrency exchange. But the markets it operates in are already contracting more, and I don't think the trend is anything more than coincidence. However, institutional investors like Larry Fink and BlackRock, as well as funds from Wall Street, are beginning to pour into the cryptocurrency market. Could it be that Binance itself is being specifically targeted? In light of the surrounding circumstances, I believe it is fair to speculate that this may be the beginning of a tale, but alas, this is the current state of the financial sector. And so, I still consider the cryptocurrency trade to be secure. Long-term crypto holdings, however, are best kept in a cold storage solution like a ledger or a personal decentralized wallet like a trust wallet. Check out this tweet from Mike Novogratz, who recommends using MetaMask, which is somewhat safer than keeping your cryptocurrency in a central exchange. That makes this guy a billionaire. And right here he states it, that is insane. Get some Bitcoin. If we focus on this tweet, we can see that the U.S. national debt has grown by more than $1 trillion since the debt ceiling was temporarily lifted last month. I don't think the United States is out of the woods just yet, and I know you all are aware of the debt ceiling there. Despite the fact that stock prices are rising, there is still a huge amount of outstanding debt. Now it's somewhere around 32 trillion and rising rapidly. And that's the difference between Bitcoin and crypto. Some of these cryptos are restricted in quantity, and some of these cryptos are deflationary, and those two features are what give crypto a lot of value, but the US national debt can simply keep rising virtually forever. And if we look at the pricing of cryptocurrencies today, we can see that the crypto market is showing a bit of a mixed state. As a result, the value of a number of cryptocurrencies has fluctuated recently, with some going up and others going down. But if you look closely, you can see that there has been some development just here. This means that the tree is beginning to recover. And, once again, I continue to hold a long-term positive stance on crypto, so my concerns are minimal. If we check out the other crypto prices today, we see that the market as a whole is experiencing significant retracements, but I am still optimistic about cryptocurrency, so while ETH is down 4.2% and XRP is retracing a bit but still up 50% on the week, I am not worried about this short-term dip. Cardano backing off, but still keeping the ship fairly stable since this is the major cryptocurrency update. Pepe is down today and Luna Classic is up to Su. Luna Classic is down. That's the information you'll want to have. If you liked the update, please subscribe to the channel and turn on video notifications so you can find out what we're up to next. If you're interested in knowing more about new cryptos, you may subscribe to our channel, where we regularly provide updates on the latest developments in the cryptocurrency industry, including, but not limited to, XRP, classic cryptocurrencies, SHIBs, and other new cryptos. We talk about them frequently, so thanks for watching the video.